Moving over to here, we know that we have a triangle, ABC, and they give us the measures of the angles as x, y, and z degrees. They're telling us that it's isosceles, but that AB is greater than AC. So if this side is bigger than this side, we now know that either this side is going to be equal to this side. So either AB is going to equal BC, because if it's isosceles, we know that at least two of the sides have to be equal, or we know that AC is going to equal BC, because we automatically know that AB does not equal AC. So we know that those two things have to be true. So if we go through the answer choices, it's asking us which of the following must be false. So looking at this, AB equals BC. So that could be true, right? So we said that AB could equal BC, or AC could equal BC. So this definitely doesn't have to be false, so that is out. BC equals AC. That doesn't have to be false because it either has to be one or the other. So once again, we can get rid of B. Now it says x is greater than y. So if we know that AB is bigger than AC, what we now want to do is think about what effect that's having on the angles in here. So what we know about the angles in a triangle is that the angle opposite the biggest side is the biggest angle. So we automatically know, because AB is greater than AC, that the angle across from AB, which is Z, has to be greater than the angle across from AC, which is Y. So now we know that Z has to be greater than Y. We don't know anything about X and Y. We know that they could be equal or that they could be greater. So this is one of those where we're not sure about. We know now we're getting into the two angles that we actually know a relationship with. This is saying that Y is going to be greater than Z. We already proved that Z has to be greater than Y, so therefore D is going to be our answer, because we know that the angle opposite the biggest side, which is AB, has to be bigger than the angle across from the smaller side, which is AC. So in this case, D is going to be our answer for number 3.